Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Today, I'm going to share with you an incredible dish which I love to make, and this dish is the pad thai. Today, I'm going to make my pad thai using shrimp. You can use any protein you would like. Today, I'm going to use the ready-made pad thai sauce because this recipe today is going to be a short and quick one. Today, I'm going to show you how I make my shrimp pad thai. So let's gather our ingredients. Let's go. So for this pad thai dish, the ingredients are really simple and it's not too many ingredients. So I'm going to use my Thai rice noodles, and I'm using my rice noodle from the Thai kitchen. This is the one I've always used, but you can find any rice noodles would work. I'm also using the pad thai sauce. It's also from the Thai kitchen brand. This video is not sponsored. I'm just showing you what I'm using. And this is what I've always used. You can find other pad thai sauces in the grocery store, or you can make it your own, guys. The ingredients for the pad thai sauce is really simple. If you'd like me to show you how to make pad thai sauce, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will demonstrate for you how to make pad thai sauce in another video. I have oil. I only need 2 tablespoons of oil. I have a cup of unsalted peanuts, 1 egg, some green onions, a lime, a cup of bean sprouts, and I have 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp, which I've already gone ahead and deveined, and I've already seasoned with salt. I'm leaving the tail on. For pad thai, I like to leave the tail of my shrimp on, but it's just my preference. Go ahead and take the tail off if you'd like. So that's it, guys. Very easy and simple. So it's Thai rice noodles, pad thai sauce, bean sprouts, about a cup, dry roasted nuts, unsalted, 1 egg, a lime, and I'm going to use the lime for garnishing, some green onions, and of course my shrimp. Or any protein you'd like to use. You can use chicken. Chicken goes very well with the pad thai dish also. So that's it. That's all the ingredients you are going to need. And if you want to make the pad thai sauce, the ingredients for the pad thai sauce is tamarind sauce or tamarind paste, fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, soy sauce. Very simple. In my pot here, I have 4 cups of water. That's the amount you would need for a box of Thai noodles. I'm just going to go ahead and add my rice noodles to the pot. And I'm just going to separate it so my noodles don't stick together. So I'm going to put the top to my pot on. I'm just going to let this cook for about 4 to 6 minutes. These rice noodles cook very quickly, so you only need about 4 to 6 minutes. I'm going to have my lid open a little ways so that it doesn't bubble over into my stove. While my rice noodles are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg. I have my wok here. I'm going to turn on my flame. To my wok, I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil. I'm also keeping an eye on my rice noodles so I do not overcook it. To my wok, I'm going to go ahead and add my egg. And you just scramble it until it's set. Now I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from my wok and set it aside. To my wok, I've just removed the egg. I'm going to add my other tablespoon of oil. So my rice noodles are done. I'm going to go ahead, drain out the water and rinse it off. I've rinsed out my rice noodles. I have it in the colander draining, so I'm just going to leave it on here for the meantime. So I have my 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. Or whatever protein it is you're using. And guys, let me know in the comment section if you guys have had pad thai or made pad thai before. I did not know about pad thai until I came to live in America. I never had it when in my country, and I never heard about it either until I came to live in America. So shout out to Nick Golden, guys, for introducing me to this fabulous pad thai. And I'm passing it down to you guys. So we come in full circle here. Each one teach one. So I'm just letting my shrimp cook through. I do not want any raw shrimp, because my son is going to be eating this also. This is our Sunday lunch. And guys, my advice to you, please do not be afraid to try new recipes, new things. It may look difficult, it may seem difficult, but trust me, cooking is not as difficult as it looks, really. Anybody can do it. Do not let the kitchen intimidate you. Do not let a recipe intimidate you. As I said earlier, I had no idea about pad thai. I never had it before, I never made it before, until I was introduced to it, and I just continued to make it, and I just continued to perfect it to my taste. So that is what cooking is about. Okay, so my shrimp is nice and cooked. I'm going to go ahead and add my rice noodles to this, guys. I'm going to turn down the heat because I do not want to overcook my shrimp. If there's one thing I do not like is overcooked shrimp. It's no good. To this, I'm going to go ahead and add my pad Thai sauce. I'm just making sure it's nice and coated. And this is the beauty of rice noodles. It doesn't disintegrate like the other noodles, guys. It will just stay whole and not even budge. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut up my green onion. Now I'm going to add my green onions to my wok here and give it a toast. Do not be afraid of the green onions, guys. In this dish, the green onions work really well. So if you're not a fan of green onions, I think this dish will make you a fan of green onions because it just works so well in this dish. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cup of bean sprouts. And my scrambled egg. I'm going to go ahead and just roughly chop up my peanuts. And you don't have to cut up your peanuts too thinly, guys. If you want, you can even put your peanuts in there whole. To go ahead and add my peanuts to this. And the nuts in this dish just gives it such a beautiful flavor. And that's it, guys. This is how simple and quick this dish is to make. And now we are going to serve so we can eat. My pad Thai dish is done. It smells and looks delicious. And what I love most about this dish is that it is just so quick and easy to make. Now it's time for the taste test. And here it is. Look how delicious this looks. The colors are just so vibrant in there. It smells so good. Okay, that's it. The rice noodles are cooked perfectly, guys. Smells so good. And sprinkle a little lime on my shrimp. The shrimp is cooked perfectly, guys. I'm on the shrimp. Oh my gosh, just brought out a burst of flavor. The recipe always calls for a wedge of lime on the side, and until today I did not know what the lime on the side was for, guys, because I never did it. I just went ahead and I just made my pad thai and I just ate it. Today I know why we need the wedge of lime. It is just bursting with flavor when you add the lime to it. This is so good. Now I understand. Sometimes there are certain things to dishes and you're like, okay, why did they garnish it with lime? Or why did they garnish it with lemon? Or why did they garnish it with this or that? In all of my cooking, today I have a different understanding why certain dishes require certain garnishes. The lime in here is just a superstar in this dish, guys. I tried my pad thai with lime, and today I have a different appreciation for lime, especially lime in this dish. Wow, is all I can say. So we've come to the end of another video and I cannot stop eating. This is something new for me and I'm so glad I revisited the pad thai today, because I just learned something new about this pad thai dish, that you cannot have pad thai without lime, because the lime brings this dish together. That's like the stamp of approval on this dish, is the addition of the lime. I hope you guys try this dish. Firstly, because it's just so easy to make and it's so quick. But most importantly, it is just so flavorful and everybody will love it. The kiddos will love it. Everybody in your household will love this dish. Please try it out. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try out this dish, if you've had pad thai before, if you've never had pad thai before, if you are planning on making this dish. Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me here today. It was an honor for me to show you how I make my pad thai dish. It is just so flavorful, beautiful, guys, and so easy to make. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you would like to see more videos like this, leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know if you would like to see more videos like this one. Until the next video, thank you for watching. Bye.